When you hear Bacolod City, what comes in your mind? Inasal, Mascara Festival, and yup, Piaya. Hi, it's Abby from Our Awesome Planet, and I'm here in my hometown, Bacolod City, where we are gonna make a local sweet called Piaya! Yay!
Yes, yeah, Piaya. The name of the Piaya is Bong Bong.
But actually, what is piyaya?
So, Piaya is Bacolod City's #1 pasalubong treat. It's made of sweet, warm, flat, flaky bread filled with dark muscovado sugar. And today, I'm here with my cousins where we are about to visit one of the oldest Piaya bakers here at Bong Bong's factory for a Piaya making workshop. Ano? Something smells good.
Kami Bong Bong. So guys, sorry, this again is medyo mainit kasi we have like 42 degrees. Right?
For our first assignment, we will be making barquillos, a Spanish-influenced cookie prepared by pouring liquid batter on a hot iron plate. Like you know how you cook pancakes? But then you have to skillfully roll it around with this pin before it becomes this hard biscuit cubes. How is it? Yummy, yummy. Now here's what everyone's waiting for. It's time to make the famed Bong Bong's Piaya. So here's what you need to make Piaya. The dough that's simply made of flour and water, a ball of muscovado sugar placed in the middle and wrapped like a dumpling. Dusted with flour. Then roll into a flat circle using a rolling pin. Then sprinkle sesame seeds on both sides. So Piaya has become so popular here in Negros, mainly because most of the sugar from the Philippines comes from here. Oh my God, everybody's sweaty. Baka di na sweet Piaya, salty Piaya. Oo naman.
Okay, it's a perfect circle. Compared to this one, it's almost the same, right?
What now? What now?
You did a good job.
Okay,
Good job. Let's go. You want to add more?
Now it's time to finally cook the piyaya. You'll know when it's ready to eat, when it's browned and cooking.
Kailangan mag-pop siya. Kylie, it needs to pop. Pop. Like that, though. Pwede mo na i-squish. Squish mo na. Squish mo na yung isa pa. O, di ba? Video, video. Try, try, try. Hot? Oh no, hot. Oh, what can you say? Is piyaya better when it's fresh and hot? Better. Ano to? Yung sa ano, hairnet. Hot. Better ba when it's hot? Is it better when it's hot? No, it's hot. Better ba when it's hot? Yeah, yes, definitely good when it's fresh and hot.
Pasalubong is something we all love to receive. And here in my visit in Bacolod, my friends would be happy to know that I'm bringing some back home. So, guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
How do you preserve it?
So we don't put preservatives in our piyaya. So it's organic. So that's why it's only have 30 days shelf life. Because we don't put any preservatives on our products. Yes. So it won't change the taste of because of the preservatives. And we want to promote negros, of course. That's why we are using negros sugar.
How
And
do you make it? How do you make it?
from the sugar cane. Have you seen the trees? Have you seen the sugar cane?
Yeah.
Yeah, in London. That's where the feeling came from. The sugar cane.
And how will the piyaya be like frozen? Like how will it